Are you passionate about gaming, entertainment, or creating live content? If so, starting a Twitch channel could be the perfect way to turn your passion into profit. In today's video, I'll guide you through the different ways you can make money with your Twitch channel and start building your streaming career. 1. Become a Twitch affiliate or partner. To start monetizing your Twitch channel, the first step is becoming a Twitch affiliate or Twitch partner. Affiliates can start earning money through subscriptions, bits, virtual tipping, and ad revenue. Once you reach a larger audience and meet higher requirements, you can become a Twitch partner, which opens the door to more revenue streams and exclusive features. 2. Subscriptions and bits. Subscriptions are one of the most popular ways to earn money on Twitch. Viewers can subscribe to your channel for different tiers, and you earn a portion of the subscription fee. The more engaging and consistent your content is, the more likely viewers will subscribe and support you. Bits are Twitch's virtual currency, and viewers can use them to cheer you on during live streams. Each bit translates to money, and the more bits you receive, the more you earn. 3. Donations and crowdfunding. Many Twitch streamers also earn money through direct donations. You can set up donation buttons on your Twitch channel using services like PayPal or Streamlabs, allowing your viewers to support you directly. Additionally, you can use crowdfunding platforms like Patreon, where viewers can subscribe to your exclusive content and perks. 4. Sponsorships and brand deals. As your Twitch channel grows, you can start attracting sponsorships and brand deals. Brands are constantly looking to partner with influencers and streamers to promote their products to a wider audience. Make sure to approach brands that align with your content and audience, and always be transparent about sponsorships. 5. Affiliate marketing. You can also make money through affiliate marketing by promoting products or services, and earning a commission for every sale made through your affiliate link. You can partner with platforms where you recommend gaming gear, streaming equipment, or even games you're playing during your stream. 6. Ad revenue. Once you become a Twitch affiliate or partner, you can enable ad revenue on your streams. Twitch will run ads before or during your live streams, and you'll earn money based on the number of views and interactions with those ads. 7. Merchandise sales. If you've built a loyal community, selling merchandise can be a great way to increase your income. You can design and sell branded merchandise through platforms like Teespring or Spreadshop, giving your viewers a way to support you while getting something in return. 8. Engage with your audience. The key to success on Twitch is building and engaging with your audience. The more interactive and personal you make your streams, the more likely viewers will support you through donations, subscriptions, and other revenue streams. Always be consistent with your streaming schedule and make an effort to connect with your audience regularly. Making money on Twitch takes time, but with dedication and the right strategies, you can turn your channel into a profitable business. Start small, keep improving your content, and focus on growing your community. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on making money online.